It surprises many that while Microsoft 365 does include some data retention features, these are limited in scope and duration. If your company has compliance obligations, a policy that drives a retention requirement, or just don't want all your eggs in one basket, then a third-party backup is for you. The key drivers for companies choosing to back up their Microsoft Cloud data are protection against data loss. Microsoft offer basic retention features, but it is not a comprehensive backup solution. Retention policies ensure that data is retained in accordance with legal and industry regulations. Granular recovery options. Users can recover individual files, folders, or entire sites from OneDrive and Teams, providing flexibility in data management. Disaster recovery. Having a backup ensures that in the event of a system failure or cyber attack, your data can be swiftly restored, supporting your disaster recovery plan. DSM's Microsoft 365 backup is powered by Acronis, a best-of-breed and global leader in backup solutions. Protecting your data in Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, OneDrive and Teams, it is a comprehensive, secure and reliable solution. Costing just £3 per user per month, it's a bit of a no-brainer. Contact us today for more information.